how to enable or disable screenshot capture on the Apple Watch 9. First, press on the crown button to return back to your clock face. Then press on the crown button again to go into the app screen. Now in the app screen, tap on the settings icon. Then we go down and tap on general. Next, scroll down. And in here, tap on screenshots. Then tap on enable screenshots. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. And that's it. After, you can press on the crown button to return back to your clock face. Now to take a screenshot, just press on the crown button and the side button right here. Press on both buttons. That will allow you to take a screenshot. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Now you can also do the same on your iPhone. So if you have paired your Apple Watch with the iPhone, you can go and open up the Watch app on your iPhone. Then tap on My Watch at the bottom. In here, tap on General. Then we scroll down and tap on Enable Screenshots. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And once you have captured a screenshot, it will be stored or synced to your Photos app in here. So just open up the photo apps. I'm going to open up Photos. And here is the screenshot of my Apple Watch. And that's it. Thank you for watching.